What's up, BTG family? Good morning. We have Dad, we have Princess Kitty, and Money Boy behind the scene. And today we're making breakfast. So we have Dad making the sausages. Don't want to get too close to those, the phone backed up. We have hash browns. So we have hash browns, homemade hash browns. Do you mind telling them the type of stuff that you put in them?
A little bit of salt. That's it.
Yeah, not too much, because we're trying to stay.
There you go.
And oil. And speaking of that, we have Princess Kitty over here making the eggs. Nice and soft, huh, Princess Kitty?
It's gonna be silky.
Down.
And the eggs have been nice and perfect.
Yep.
And
Alright, y'all. Y'all gonna think this is kind of funny, but
Water? Are y'all seeing this? Water?
yeah, because it has to be silky.
But it actually makes it softer, right?
yes, it helps to get eggs to keep their moisture where they don't get hard.
Yeah, so if y'all ever want to make some really good soft eggs, I recommend adding some water.
Yeah, I think you want.
Don't ask the amount because I don't know the amount. I don't do it by an amount. Let's see.
Here's the eggs, and it'll be nice and silky.
This also works for French toast. It makes it easier to dip them.
Cool.
This is my cooking. And
Alright, Princess Kitty. Now what I need you to do next, I need you to go with Jordan. And I need you to go get the toaster so we can make toast.
Alright.
With the bread.
Okay. Toaster's over there. I'm going to hook it up.
Bread. Don't squeeze the bread, please.
Careful. Say good morning, Miss Davina.
Don't pay attention. There's a lot of hot things, a lot of sharp things, and sometimes it can be a little bit slippery. You need to pay attention.
and then you can burn stuff on the stove.
Good morning.
Good morning, Miss Davina.
Just the love of my life, Mr. Vina.
Hello, how y'all doing? Good morning.
Hang on, guys.
Let Milk on her job.
Hang on, Dad. I think there's something wrong.
What do you mean?
Like when I popped it up, or like,
It's dirty. Probably need to clean the toaster.
is there a way to clean, like, disassemble it to clean it?
There's a little rack on the bottom that you pop open.
Also, guys, if y'all want y'all's butter to taste a little, y'all's toast to taste a little better, I recommend adding some butter and then putting it back in the toaster for a few seconds.
Oh no, don't do that. It's informed. I'm not saying what they did was wrong,
Mom?
but it's just
Daddy,
misinformation.
he got
Butter-
from the dude
Butter
how to
has
put butter on
oil
the.
to it, and if you put oil and heat together, it can cause a fire.
Um,
So let's not do that.
He watched the man put.
Cool. So we put the eggs and the potatoes together. As you can see, the toast is done. Paper plates make less of a mess.
Daddy, my parents keep falling
We're
down.
gonna get Zam,
You're on YouTube.
Zop, Zam, Bop. Put it in the toast. Mission on the toast. Pop one. Let's see. We got this. Look how that looks. It looks so good.
It just helps the egg cook without burning.
Because of all the
It
extra
makes
stuff.
it more moist.
Cool. Alright, now we're going to spread our toast out. Alright, this is what it looks like when they're done. Pretty good. Got the 4 pieces of toast here with the butter on them. Ready to go. And now we're just waiting on the last piece of toast, so I have make sure everyone has some, and then we're going to do some of the other. Oh yeah, the sausage. I forgot about that.
It won't take long for it.
Yeah. Wow.
Sausage, but I don't know if we're allowed to. But it's good sausage. Yeah. We don't eat a lot of pork here.
Wait, can you at least tell them the store that you got them from?
What's that?
Like the place you got them from? The
Oh, the
sausage.
grocery store.
Okay. The grocery store. We're going to get stuff from the grocery store.
Well, I don't know if we're allowed to say the names.
Oh yeah, like say the store name.
Joey's.
Ah, it's super hot. Try not to get it.
Got it, hey.
Shoot. Okay. attempt 2. Alright, you know what? I have an easier solution to my problem. Get a 4. Wait, nope, never mind. Alright. Oh, I got it anyway. Wonder if I put it on top, then will it just end up having to melt the butter? Because as y'all can see here, it's already melting it, so that might actually help it.
Take it. I got to take that.
I would like you to stand like this.
Alright.
Can I have a spatula, please?
Yep.
Put recording in our drawers. You didn't turn the oven off, did you?
Oh, no?
No, don't turn it off later.